Hey guys, this is RLC321 back again with some more of the Revell Star Trek Voyager build. Now, I did record a video earlier explaining a few things about what I'd done with this, and I'd finished the video. Then I decided to put this all together, all ready to go. Unbeknownst to me, I didn't have my microphone switched on, so that kind of like didn't work out quite as well as I had planned. No. I'll talk about what I was going to try and do. I was going to try and put fibre optics in the back here, because 3mm, these 3mm holes seem a little bit too big for the kit, especially for down here. And I just could not get the fibre optics to fit. I couldn't get them to work or anything like that at all. So it was a royal pain in my backside. So then I decided to drill 3mm holes and put the LEDs in there on the top and on the bottom, and it wouldn't sandwich together. Even though there was flat. Let me show you the other half of the LEDs. Here we go. As you can see, they are as flat as they can go, and I could not sandwich the two pieces together. So in the end, I decided to try and do the fibre optic again, and this time what I did with the fibre optic, I used a straw which I actually coloured. This is not the right one, but I coloured a straw, cut it in half straight across there, rolled it around so it was smaller, fit it to the end of the LED, so it would here we go, fit it to the end of the LED, glued it in place. Obviously it's going to be a lot smaller than this hole. Then I got two strands of fibre optic, held them together as flat as I can, put some electrical tape around it, glued that in place with super glue, put that in so it was touching the LED. Okay, then glued that together onto this so it's holding everything into place. That's what's actually inside here right now. Now I was experimenting, trying to figure out a way of bending the fibre optic so it would go from the top and the bottom and everything. And what you don't want to do is, with your LED, you don't want to bend it yourself like this, because if you bend it yourself like that, right, you'll get the kink where you want, but the light will stop there. I don't know if you can see that too clearly. The light will stop at the bend. Okay, we don't want that. So what I found out is using this bad boy, right, and I don't know how well this is going to show up. It's actually not going to show up very well at all. So let's try this like this. If you just hold this close, not touching but just close, you can actually see that it bends itself. Now the trick is not to touch it, and then that way the light will easily pass through. It won't get a really bad kink or anything, and that's what I was able to do with this. Obviously I had to refill the holes, the 3mm holes that I drilled with putty, milliput. I've held the wires down in here with some milliput as well, and this is temporarily screwed down, clamped down while the glue is drying. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these. I've measured these wires, and they all should be roughly the same length now. All of these wires, which is good. And what I'm gonna do now is, because I want this to be like one of the connecting pieces, let's get that over here and out of the way there. Alright, so what I do to cut these wires is I use the back side of my doobie, and I'm able to pull the wire off. think I might have mentioned that in another video. Not entirely sure. But either way, that's what I'm doing here. And I think we deserve to have a little light up to see what it looks like. I do indeed. Let's get that down a bit more. There we go. Right, and let's do the red ones. And this one. And the last one. And then we join these together. Now what I'm thinking of doing, I don't quite know if it's going to work yet because I need to see how the rest of the kit's going to go. But I have somewhere these things, and I've got the connectors to go in them as well. And I was actually thinking of things like this, where it's going to go into the major hull area. I could just use this and then do the same when I finish the inside area and connect it up that way. It's a possibility I'm thinking of. I'm not entirely sure how that's going to work out just yet. It should work out just fine, but you can never tell. Alright, let's splice these three together. Like so. And then we splice these three together. Like so. And then we'll put just a little bit of solder on just to keep everything in its place. There we go, and the same with this one here. Come on. Melt, damn you. There you go. Move down, mate. There you go. And same with you there, you move down there. That's it. Right, okay, so let's see. I'm wondering if I have anything. I mean, I could quickly wire that together with that and connect it up that way, I suppose, but I don't really want to do all that. Because my stupid arm keeps getting in the way when I'm trying to show this kit. Lighted, and everything like that. How am I going to do this? Let me think of the best way to do this. You know what? Yeah, let's just put one of these on. Where's the male end? Comes Papa. Give me nope. That one. Nope. Just give me a female, a male even. Come on, give me that one. That one there. That one there. That one there. That's the one. That's the one I want. That's it. Right. Let's very quickly solder these two together. Actually, no, I won't solder them together. Let's. I'll just splice them. I think. This. Okay. So then at least this way, when I'm doing my testings and things, I've got I can easily just plug it in when I'm doing my testings. Don't know why I didn't think of this before. Believe me, it would have saved me loads of time. I mean, I'm just gonna twist them together. I'm not gonna do anything majorly with them. So I'm just gonna twist them together like this. And you can go there like that. And I'll just put a bit of tape around one of yous, just to keep you protected like. Okay, right, so let's get the other one. Where did I put the other one? So that's where the battery's all connected, ready to go. So let's put you over there. Where did I put that other one now? Ah, there you are. So let's do the same again. But this I'm definitely not gonna I'm just gonna wrap it round. There we go. Let's get that all twisty up. Get that twisty up there. Right. So let's twist this around here. Then that way I can go turn out the lights so we can actually see what's happening. And hopefully, if I did my job right, well, not my job, but if I did this right, it should work. So, first of all, find out where the plus and minus is, and plug it. And it's worked! I can't believe it! I don't believe it! Let's turn out the lights. Yeah, just turn out the yellow light as well. Okay. Well, look at that. Look at that. I can't find a place to hold it. Oh, yep. Stop those from touching. But there we go. For some reason, the green LED is a lot brighter than the red. You can barely see the red one there, but it is there. It's functional. We've got the Nacelles going here. We've got a little bit of light blocking to do here. But as you can see, the putty has worked. Not the putty. The milliput has worked really, really well inside there. Really, really happy with that. We've got the flashing LED with the... Oh, where you go? We've got the flashing LED going. Obviously that's going to be cut down. I'm going to bulb it out a little bit as well. We've got the... You should be able to see where the warp engines are. There and there. And if we just turn it around a little bit, make sure you don't touch. And you can just barely see, but there we go. At the back we can see the warp engine there as well. So I have to say, this has worked. I'm quite surprised, I'll be honest. Really surprised. Let's switch the light back on. And the other light as well. But yeah, there we go. This is working. It's doing what we want it to do, which is to work, obviously. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna say thank you very much for watching. It's just a very short video to show you what I've done here and how we are progressing, and it's coming along. It is definitely come along. So I'm going to let this glue set overnight, and I will see you guys in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.